hanging out with my goat friends here in the barn build project. This is going to be their space. For this week's tip, I want to talk to you guys about thinking about the other trades. Other trades, I mean electricians, plumbers, plasterers, things like that. One thing that a lot of guys don't do, that I run across often when I do remodeling, is when you're building partition walls and you're nailing your double top plate on, guys just nail wherever they want. And the tip here is put the nails in line with the studs. And by doing that, you're doing a favor to the electrician and plumber who later have to come behind us and drill holes for, you know, utilities and plumbing and electrical lines and things like that. That way the nails aren't in the way, we're not destroying their bits, we're making it safer for them. Some other things that you can do to think about the trades are, you know, when you're remodeling, say, a bathroom, you can center your studs. You know, I know you're doing 16 on center layout, but you can center your studs on the shower valve, you can center your stud on the sink drain, so you could do a, like a recessed vanity mirror or something like that. There are things that you can do on the framing stage that think about the other trades. Additionally, adding nailers to corners and things like that for the drywall or plasterer, all of that stuff helps later on down the line. Hope this helps. Have a great week.